Hi, my name's Shane. I'm over here at Colton RV Orchard Park location. Today we're going to go over a few common issues, basic issues with the Airstreams. So for all the Airstream owners, here's a few tips. So one common thing is the window seals sticking. One thing you can do is take your average debit card, credit card, whatever it may be, slide it to break your seals, under your seals, and then your window opens. Now once you got your window open, one thing you can do to prevent your windows from sticking, you can take your common household glass cleaner, spray it on a rag, condition and clean up your seals. You could also do WD-40. The only thing with WD-40, it may attract dirt and dust. Other than that, we're going to move on to operation of the stairs. So a lot of Airstream, brand new Airstream owners have the same common issue of getting your stairs to go up and down. So you're simply going to lift up on this tab. Always remember to somersault your stairs down, and now your stairs are sturdily in place. Now to get them back up, put two fingers, your thumbs on each side, somersault your stairs back up, pull the stairs to you, and push back up. And then your stairs are properly secured. Now, when it comes to opening and closing your Airstream door, you need a tight seal. If you want to come see how the seal is tight up and down, a lot of new Airstream owners tend to not slam their doors, and that's what you need to get a proper seal. So in order to properly seal your door closed, put your palm here and forcefully close it, and you'll have a proper seal. If you do it too light, your door will not properly seal correctly. And now when it comes to closing your door from the inside, let you in first. Now when it comes to closing your door, you do not want to lift up on your handle. If you lift up on your handle, your door will never shut. I always tell new Airstream customers, put one or two fingers on your handle and just pull it shut. And that just about concludes today's tech talk. If you have any questions, please stop down at the Orchard Park location, where we have a bunch of Airstream professionals that are here to help you.